Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept offers on Upwork. So after submission, the proposal, or you can say the client that invite you on one of their jobs. So I will show you how to accept the offers. I've got one offer for one from my client. This is my continuous client. So right now, if you go to the home page of your Upwork page, so you will have just after the proposals, you will have these three options. You can see there is one offer. So if I tap on this one offer, and you will see this client want to have on it. So this is a quick job that he is asking for. Need a quick adjustment to my website menu, and he's just provided the website, and these are the details that clients provide. So now if you want to accept the offer, you can see there are two options: decline offer or accept offer. You can go with this one, chat with the client. You can also have the information of the client about the client as well. So if I tap on this accept offer, and you have to write a message to client like this: thank you, please let me know login details of the website. And after typing your message, you have to check this box and then tap on this accept offer, and the offer is accepted now, and the contract has been started. So that's it for this video. That's how you can accept offers from client. So don't forget to check our recommended resources links below in the description. And if you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.